Hey guys, Render41 here. Today I got episode 85 of Terraria, and I believe I was about to start working on this. We'll continue working on it. First I have to build a framework. Hope I wasn't doing anything and then forgot about it, because if so, whoops. Oh my gosh. Whoops, I placed down clay. Okay, so first I need to weigh in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so we have, this is 45. So then, assuming, so this is, if it's 45, that means it's 23. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the middle. Sorry, guys. 5% bait. Screw that. 8. Ooh, high. Freaking Excalibur. Sadly, I can't exactly sleep through the night. So it kills it instantly. So I'm gonna have another way in, obviously. This isn't gonna be my only way in. But it's probably gonna be my best way in. Boom. It's gonna come directly from spawn anyway. I mean, obviously my spawn's gonna be over here. So the world spawn won't really make a difference. Is this in the middle? Okay, I'm pretty sure it is, but it doesn't, I don't know, it looks weird to me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 on this side, which means, so this would be 24 and 22, and then 23 and 23. So I need to go over 2. Boom. Alright, alright. now I'm pretty sure it's in the middle now. I counted, but I'll move over and look at it from here now. Yeah, that's in the middle. So I think I'm going to defeat the destroyer on this world, and then I'm going to get a steampunker. I think I only have to defeat one mechanical boss to get the steampunker, but I'm not sure. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. You just come over here. I mean, this you can still get out. You don't need stairs. You can just jump, which is good. Which means you can just get in from right here, which is awesome. So now I'll put some platforms there. I'll just show available. I might from now on do that. I mean, unless I'm looking for something specific, but I'm not, so. Oh, I did not think that through. We're gonna stick with default wood. Well, I'm gonna use these stone brick walls. I'm only putting those here for now, so that I can, so that this dirt wall doesn't look like crap. I'll just plop some down. Heck, I can just plop it down here and then destroy it. Oh, never mind. I'm probably never going to use dirt wall again, so. Plus, I have this terrible mine right under my house. It's like, oh, Maltena, why did you mine like this if you're watching? Why? Why did you make a really weird staircase? Come on. Okay, anyway, going back. Oh, bam. There we go, that's all I needed. I'm gonna make different entrances to this base, most likely. This one's gonna be my current one. I might want to make a second mine straight down to hell from where I am, like from my base. Heck, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I need light. Yeah, because chances are, if it weren't for this, I likely would not use this mine ever. So I'm gonna make more platforms. Hey! Remember how I said I was gonna collect fallen stars? Why did I even make these platforms when I was... That's all I wanted to happen. Okay. So I think what I'm actually going to do is this, and then dig down these 3. I'll dig down that other one in a minute. We're just going to go straight down to hell, see if I can do it before the end of this episode, which I don't think I can. If I can't, then I'll go ahead and finish this off camera. But I might as well start it now, right? What do I have to lose? Sorry for the darkness, by the way. Oh, okay, good. Shroom biome, which is what I was planning on going through. I need some mushroom seeds. How do I get those? Just break stuff? I just remember them being like really rare. Because I want to get a truffle. I don't know what other requirements there are besides just having mushroom seeds. I know there's other requirements, but I don't know them, so I'll just do what I know for now. Freaking chaos elementals. Okay, so this is correct. Yeah, sorry, we were in the middle of something. I'm sure I'll fall into another cave. Or another mushroom biome in this case. Ooh, I got a glow stick, that's perfect. Well, no, that's not what I want to know. I gotta throw it down. That way there's light and you can see me, and it's not pitch black, even though it still kind of is pretty dark. Hi there. Bye there. Yeah, drowning would be pretty bad, because uh-oh. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Or maybe it's not as bad as I thought. Also, I didn't realize, like, 3 mushroom biomes overlap like they do. Oh gosh, I forgot about the fungi bulbs. Those things are horrible. Hey, Soul of Night. Nice. Soul of Nice. Alright guys, so that I don't run out of time, I'm going to end this episode here. Oh, hi there, wherever you are. Oh, hi, I didn't realize I was so low on health. Okay, well, on that note, that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys later.